2026, and we are going to get into price action today. Today was a banger. This is the wrong one. Sorry, y'all. Today was a banger. A little fine piece right there. I did get stopped out on a short entry, on ES, and once I got invalidated, I realized that market still wanted to be bullish, and then the market maker buy model presented itself. Forever model presented itself. So I took the long entry and we banked on that shit. Right here, we got S&T with these lows. Right here when NASDAQ got up here, I thought we were just gonna continue because we look pretty bullish right here. I don't know if y'all know how to trade, this look bullish. This right here look bullish. We come up to this, I think this is a 15-minute inversion. Or is this a 5-minute? What is this, bro? Forgot what this was. It was a 15-minute bearish for value gap, yeah. And so we come up into that this bearish for value gap, reject off of it, go lower, create an S&T here. We have a CSD above this high, retracement to this fair value gap, entry, stop loss below this low, and then take profit at those relative equal highs. Right here. I'm gonna show you in the 1 minute, it's a lot cleaner. I promise it's a lot cleaner. Right there. So these relative equal highs, these stacked highs I was looking for, because price literally comes up to them right here. We're literally, I think it was what, 19 points away? 7 points away from hitting it, and then we just rally lower, create an S&T at these lows, and then we get the CSD retracement to the fair value gap, which is actually a BPR, and then plus this 1 minute, 9:30 candle for fair value gap, and then we just rally. Taking out relative equal highs and then -2 standard deviation of this manipulation leg. That's all I really got to say today. I can show you the loss too. So what happened here was, price comes up here. There's actually an S&T with these highs. So S&T, CSD here. I should have entered here. This should have been my entry. I did not enter. I took too long. I was late. So once we got a rejection, we started going lower, close candle, enter, and then we retested this 1 minute for value gap, entered again, price continues lower. I'm expecting these relative lows to get taken out, and then bang, death candle, gets stopped out. Well, I didn't get stopped out. My stop loss was up here, but I seen this and I was like, you know what, fuck it. So when we came lower, and I saw the model starting to play out. So when we came lower, I closed out, and then went over to NASDAQ because I knew NASDAQ was more bullish, and I realized that we were literally market maker buy model, S&T with this lower here, and then we rip. Let's take out buy side. So yeah, up 413 on the day, nothing crazy. If you learn anything, and if anyone who's watching this is a newer trader, or honestly just a newer trader, beginning trader, trading for a year, anything between a month and a year is beginning trading. I would even say a month and a year and a half, maybe even 2 years is still beginning because trading is a lifetime profession. I would say do not listen to these people trying to sell you on passing the account on CPI, Fullporting CPI, or Fullporting any type of high volatility news. It could and might get you that account and pass that account, but guess who's paying for that account? You're paying for that account. And guess what's happening? After you pass that account, what are you doing afterwards? Are you still knowing? Do you know how to trade? Or did you just full port CPI and get lucky? So that's just one thing that I just have seen. It's just like a coworker of mine, he trades too, and he asked me yesterday, he's like, "You ready to full port CPI tomorrow?" I'm like, "Bro, no." And he's telling me about he's got a Lucid trading account and then he's got an Apex account. And he said he's full porting both of them, and he lost today. I the way he was trading, he could have definitely made money. He didn't take profit at any highs. He just wanted to pass the account in one trade, which was just dumb. Um, and yeah. So my advice to those who are beginners: do not allow yourself to be sold that trading is a make money easy game, make money quick game, and you can just hope the price goes one way when the news comes out. News is very volatile and unpredictable. The only way to predict it is if you know the numbers. If you know the numbers, you have a better chance of trading correctly. But even when that is a possibility, it does not make sense to trade CPI. You wait an hour and a half later, 950 comes around, 950 macro, which is way more important, which should be way more important to you than fucking CPI. We literally create a perfect opportunity for selling here and buying here. Two perfectly good trades. This would have been a 2 RR, and this was a, what was this, like a 3 point, some crazy shit, like 5.52. It's pretty insane. But I took partials here, so um for yeah, that shit was looking tough today. So um my point here, I think I've made my point clear, is that you do not need to be full porting CPI. Um who the fuck is making money? Oh, damn. Who the fuck's making money on a candle like this? Who? Not you. You're a beginner. Should not be, honestly, no fucking professional trader. Let me tell you this. If you want to be a professional trader and you're a beginning trader, understand that there are certain things that professional traders do not do and that unprofitable traders do. The reason prop firms are such a big thing is because these unprofitable traders are trying to trade and they're gambling. They're not trading, they're gambling. They don't understand, they don't want to take time out of their day to understand the markets. They just want to make money from the markets. You must understand the markets in order to make money from the markets consistently. You can gamble and you can make money, and you might make a band, you might make $50. Who the fuck cares? You might pass an account. Cool. Who cares? Who cares? If you can pass an account and you cannot continue to trade on that account because you blew it, because you only see full port of CPI, that's all you know how to do, you're cooked. You are not progressing anywhere in trading, unless you figure that shit out. And that's my 2 cents. And that's my 2 cents. I'm no one. Who am I? That's just my advice. That's just my opinion. That's just the way I see the market, the way I see the trading community. Um, and I'm here to help y'all. I'm not hating on you guys. I mean, I guess I am hating on you because you shouldn't be doing dumb shit. If you're doing dumb shit and your boy's not hating on you, then is he really your boy type shit? Um, but yeah, that's about it for today. That's all I gotta say. Today's a better day. If y'all watched yesterday's video, a little bit of crash out, a little bit of a monumental moment of myself, just realizing that if you gamble your money in this market, you will lose it just as fast as you made it, or even faster. And that's exactly what happened to me yesterday. And I'm glad I realized that, and I've been in this game long enough to not take that to heart and just know that I have to show up the next day. Better analysis, better performance, better emotions. And today, I no emotions at all. I lost that short, and I recognized where I went wrong, and then entered the opposite direction because of the model was there. The buy maker model was there. Relative highs to highs or above, and yeah, ran that shit. So that's it for today. I hope you found it insightful. Hope you found it entertaining, informational, and I hope you take this and don't just run with it. I hope you take a little time to think about it, because what I said is nothing but the truth. I don't want to see these beginner traders falling into a lie of these gurus on Instagram and TikTok preaching to you about how you can pass CPI or pass an account using CPI. Fuck a pass account. You're not trying to pass an account. The point of trading is not to pass an account. The point of trading is to make money from the markets. If you are not capable of understanding the markets, you cannot make money from the markets consistently. That's it. I'm done for the day. Done preaching to y'all. Y'all have a great day. Hope y'all see you tomorrow. God willing. I will see you then. Deuces, y'all. Have a good one.